What up, y'all, man? Coming at y'all today with another video of me getting my new phone, yo. I went from a 6S, I ain't even gonna whip it out fast, you know, that's a quick little preview of that, to the new iPhone XR. I got the black John. Let's get a look at it, you know. It's icy, yo, it's icy. Check it out, you see it. It's clean, got the XR. I was feeling the XS, but the XR had to go with something different. It's a lot heavier than the old phones I had. The screen's super clear. Everything on it looks super clear. Gotta set the Wi-Fi up. Jeremiah, what's the Wi-Fi password? I know you know it, bro.
It's 333.
Right.
64.
64.
18253.
18253. Gotta have Wi-Fi. I can't be going over my data. People know how that is. I ain't got time, bro. So yeah, man, finally I can go back to school. Everybody, I used to be the main person with the new phones in school, bro. Now everybody done upgraded on me. Now they talking about me in the past and stuff. Cause I say I had a 6. Basically. If I go to school and flex. Leave it at that, you know.
Yes or no?
You know.
How long have you had that phone?
Since the summer, but I done had a 6 since for like 3 years. Well, I had a 6 since it's been out. Cause I keep cracking it right when my upgrade was due. My mom would just give me another 6, but I had to boss up on it this time to get my own phone. Oh. It's like that 007. Damn, I'm just want to look down, yo. Okay. Oh, you gotta do multiple? I can already tell the camera look way better than the 6. 6 is on that prehistoric stuff. Alright, so it's finally done, backing up or whatever. It took about 3 hours, man. It better not go slow again. But basically, we started my backup at like 3 o'clock. My last backup on my old phone was from like January. So I had to back that up. I had to end up buying some more storage. Just so I can do this stuff. Now we rolling, yo. I should add my card to it, so I'll do that later. Y'all is not about to scam me. You thought. Share with Apple. Okay. Guess I gotta. All precautions, you know. So now I guess I gotta update it. I can't be done. Alright, I cut it. Alright, so this one was pretty quick for real. Almost got me, yo. You supposed to look out. But yeah, this one went by pretty fast. Thank God. So I can go ahead and hop on it. Hopefully I ain't gotta go through all the processes of trying to see if all my stuff.
Okay.
Alright then. None of this stuff really mean nothing.
You need to be looking at that because you don't even know how to do that.
I know how to work all of this. Welcome to iPhone, you dig? Welcome to iPhone, you dig? So, we on it, you feel me?
Maybe you should put your SIM card in.
You're right, you're right.
Or do you want to wait until that loads?
Might as well wait till all this load.
BRB?
We got his mug set up now. Down here after finish his touches. I said that weird, didn't I? Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Come here, get my little knee going. There we go. Oh, my nigga like Kanye right now. Hold on. Hold on. Get my boy right. What do? My dude wearing a cap anyway. It don't even matter. Hair shape. I like my hair. That's my hair shape right there, yo. I got black eyes, so I don't know if you got that. There we go. My eyebrows. They arched. Like that, yeah. No, not like that. Nose. No, I gotta chill. I got a snoz. That's alright though. I got a snoz. It's alright. It's alright though. Where's my combo at? You got it all over there. Put the phone over here. You getting hostile for no reason to calm down. All the way down. I think I'm gonna have to go with that one. You already ain't got my combo. Yeah, I'm just go with the go here. Get this right here. Damn. Nope. This is not what you had on my phone. I'm just go with the mustache. You didn't have a mustache. I mean, I did. I gotta have a mustache on here. I got my mustache. That was one of those. That ain't me. No, I ain't. Oh, no. I don't like that one. Well, it looks ugly with just one. That looks ugly. That's cute. That's what I had first. That's not what you had. Goof. I gotta put the cap on, yo. Niggas know. Hey, yo. Are you on the other day? Watch out. Michael? No, I ain't feeling Michael. That was dark blue. It was, I just saw him. Let me see something. Dark blue or the turquoise? Dark blue. Yeah, there you go. Hour. See, they got any Ray Bazies on here. No, I like it. You don't have those on all the time. I'll be rocking this sometimes. Tee-hee. Alright, now we got my boy set up. We got me set up. Yeah. Yep, it's right. Kinda.
But hey, yo, man, it's nice, bro. So yeah, bro, I appreciate y'all for giving me a look and watching this video on me setting up my new iPhone and unboxing it. Y'all stay tuned with my channel. Got more content to come. So yeah, like, share.